Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm telling you 5 side hustles for students in Nigeria to make money. This 2025, I know you don't want to even be broke at all. And the beautiful part of it is they are free. The reason why I say they are free, it's we Nigerians, we love free things. So the number one on the list here is content creation. I know we all are used to this word content creation, but I think we are getting something. I'm not talking of crypto, I'm not talking of forex, because crypto and forex is not for children. What I mean is not for children. It's if you don't have money, how will you start something? Because crypto means you need to have money. Forex means you need to have money to even begin with. But what we're talking about here is some stuff that are totally free. Yes, you can see from here we have a lot of things that are going on in the internet currently. And the most beautiful part of it is you can do it with your smartphone. If you have a laptop, good. But if you don't have, stick to the end of it, because the end part of it is the most interesting part of it. I'll show you the one I've done that worked for me as well. So now the first thing I'll say, posting Chinese videos on TikTok. This has been on rampant currently. If you go to Facebook, you can see a lot of videos where people are posting Chinese videos, making comments on it. They just make a voice over on it to say, hey young, have you seen what has happened? This has gone on, and they are getting monetized for it, building a channel, and people just want to be engaged. And I want you to think about this. You can put that down and say, okay, I can go to any channel like this. I'll go and search for any video. You can see like this octopus. Now I can't play it because it might be copyrighted. So I don't want it to affect my video. So like this kind of channel here, you can see from here we have Billy. Yes, with this channel, you can download the videos, make commentary on it, and it's called content repurposing. You repurpose the content to fit what you want. You can say, hey, look at octopus. Octopus is moving, I'm very confused and all kind of stuff, and you are good to go. You might not have this kind of voice, but everyone is unique in their own way. So that is a good way to start on it. So what did I call it? I said posting Chinese video on Facebook, and not just Chinese videos that you think it's entertaining, that it's helpful, it can be impactful, it can be anything. You can go ahead and do that on Facebook. So go create a Facebook account and begin with. So the second one there, number 2 here, which I think is very, very key, it's making YouTube video. This I won't want to talk more, but if you know you're good at putting your face on camera, recording yourself, you can go ahead and do that. You can see here I talk about faceless video. You can hear, all you can see is my voice. Yes, and I've been making money from this all free. Just my knowledge, what I know, it's what I'm talking about. You can start. You can talk about DIYs, do it yourself. You can talk about tutorials, how to food. You can talk about other stuff. You can talk about everyday life. Those guys who are into lifestyle and some kind of crazy stuff. You can really do that. So, but it's going to take some time, but it's better to start than not even starting. So the second one here is something like a debate, which is, I know you will want to frown at. It's graphic design and video editing. I want to ask this question: do graphic design still pay, or video editing? Do you need someone to help you edit your video? With the rise of AIs and CapCut, with the rise of different graphic website and apps on Play Store and App Store, do you think you still need graphic designer? Let me not designer to help you do your stuff. Let me not get your heart distracted from this video. But you can think about this. If you're a graphic designer, I'm not trying to upset you, but I'm trying to tell you that things are changing every day and every day. You might say I might offer my service on freelance, on Upwork. I can offer it on Fiverr and all kind of stuff. But trust me, it's time you just upskill. Everyone that want to do internet currently want to learn graphic designer, designing or video editing, because if you want to be a content creator, you learn the basic of all this, you are good to go. So you can put down the comment section. If you still pay, you can do that so that people can get better. So the third one here is dropshipping. A lot of us know what dropshipping is. I've talked about Alibaba Express, where people go and buy some stuff and bring them to they ship them to Nigeria. They go buy some cheap stuff and come and resell. People are now doing it on their WhatsApp status. I see people selling. Those guys are, what do I call their name? Those people who sell online sellers. Yes, they tell you, hey, you can get this stuff for this, but though it's expensive and some kind of stuff, but people are making amount from it because they're adding their own commission, and it's getting better. So dropshipping is something you can do all for free. But I know your question is, should I need money to start? No. Their website, you can just do your extensive research. I'm just giving you an idea. If I want to talk about all this one after the other, it's going to take at least an hour explaining this. So you can go to ChatGPT, AIs, and say, please which website can I start dropshipping in Nigeria? Cheap website to buy a product, and they will give you list of website you can get. So over here now we have affiliate marketing, but I want to ask the question: is affiliate marketing dead? Because it came 2-3 years ago into Nigeria. We talk about Lenoflex, we talk about Espania, we talk about Prompt, and all kinds. People say they have been scammed. This is a referral program, but I will not talk more on this. It's affiliate marketing, a good business. Well, if you know how to sell, if you know how to talk to people, you can go get product. If you have a good audience, you can sell to them. This is a very good business that can make you thousands and thousands of money if you learn it very well. But above all, everything has its own rules and regulation. If you play by it, you will win by it. Then we have almost close to the end of it, which is we have talked about this, which is very, very key. It's called the Faceless YouTube channel. You can see it all down there. Faceless YouTube channel. I've talked about this. This is so simple. Take your phone, record anything you can. Record something. If you're a video editor, you can record this and just make some stuff. And people are good. People just see it and they are good to go. They'll just watch. People want solutions. You can see on my channel, people just how to open dollar account. Hey, before we continue, I want to tell you, if you must make money from this, you should have this called a dollar account. You should have a dollar account. And one platform I recommend is Gray.co. You can see it on my channel. Search among the videos how to create a verified Gray account. Another one here is Clever. Yes, you can search on Clever and you can create a dollar account. All this. But I think the easiest among them, it's this. This will just need your NIN and you're good to go. But Clever will need your BVN and they want your NIN. I'm talking about Nigerians, your information to match with what you have. You get. So they want information on your NIN to match with your BVN, and sometimes an issue. Another one here is GigPay. Yes, GigPay. Yeah, GigPay. Let me just try. Say GigPay. Then another one is Payday. I think Payday is good. There's another called Payoneer. Payoneer, I don't want to write it here because currently that's been something not too calm for me. So you can start with the Gray and just have a dollar, because if you're making money from this internet, you should have where you will pushing the money into. Sorry. If you want a PayPal account, you can send me a DM. I'll give you a video to watch on how to create a verified UK PayPal account. Now, the next video will really center on this. Before I talk about the last thing here, chatting and link click on the internet has become rampant. They'll tell you watch video, they'll tell people engage people on the internet. This video paid $3 every Sunday. These videos paid $3. If you how to watch free videos on YouTube, how to click videos on YouTube and get rewarded for it. Yes, I'll be mentioning at least 5 authentic website I think can pay. Then you can go try it out this year. Don't just fold your hands and be looking. It's not good to look, because you will not make any money. If you are not selling anything, someone will sell to you. I always say this. So the only way you can make money is to either render services or sell to people. Now, finally on this, we have a very important one, which I think, it's important as well, is blog and written content. This has been the order of the day. This is where I want to expatiate on. I'm not trying to go and create a website, blog website. No. People don't have time to read. People don't have time to go to website again. When I mean website, people don't have time to go click on a website and start reading news. That is why they are making videos every day. That's why the first thing I mentioned here is content creation. Report news, talk about headlines, carry images, make slides, make them on YouTube, make them on Facebook if you think that's better. If you think TikTok is the best, go ahead and do it. Don't just fold your hands. Do something. It's very, very, very key. Do something. And when it comes to written content, it's very, very important to know you can do this on this platform. Freelance, you can freelance. You can tell them some kind of stuff. But the one I've done that's really, really helped me, not just YouTubing, is this final one here, which is called writing my books and putting them on Amazon KDP. When I talk about books, I'm talking about simple things. Like over here now, I can come here and search for element. Here I can say notes book and search for notebook. I'll see all kind of design that talk about notebook. You can see from here. Then I'll bring this here. If I want this to as a notebook, I'll duplicate this into 10, 50 and I'll sell it on Amazon. All these are ideas. You would think it does not work. I'm not talking of freelancing website. I'm talking of Amazon, rendering my service there. There is Upwork, there's Fiverr, but it's very, very competitive. But when it comes to the Amazon, which I do, it's very, very key. You can see from my earnings so far. You can see from here, even on the other one, this is not a screenshot. These are all what I've been doing in little time. This might not be big, but it's something to really beckon on, something to look on. You can see from here we have all this all listed. So this is it. I can reload and you see all the stuff being, just see everything there. It's nothing to worry about. It's something that really pay. So on its own, you can become part of all this. You can learn all this. If you don't want to do Amazon KDP, you can try other stuff. But if you want to be part of this, you want to chat me on you want to chat me on WhatsApp and see what's going on. You can see I've already made 196 videos talking about Amazon and other kind of stuff. You can be a friend on WhatsApp with this link. Chat me up and we'll talk about things. I'll give you the best of advice, but ensure you share this to your friends who are thinking of which business to start on the internet. Share with a group, with your family and all stuff. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because I'll be talking about website you can make money from just by clicking links and other stuff or engaging in their content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.